Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the channel. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you all some new arrivals, some fun spring and summer fabrics that we have at Melanated Fabrics. If you do not know, Melanated Fabrics is an online and a brick and mortar store in Atlanta, Georgia. It is owned by myself and Mimi G, and we are so excited to have a fabric store and a creative center where we teach in-person classes, and we're just able to meet people that support us and also new people that don't know anything about sewing, that are interested in sewing, and people that also love fabric as much as we do. Before we get into the video, I wanted to share with you all what I'm wearing in case any of you all are interested. This is actually McCalls 7893. I have a blog post for it over on BrittanyJJones.com. I'll link the post below because it'll have more details in the blog as far as the sizing that I cut, any adjustments that I made, which I don't think I made any adjustments to it. The fabric is from Melanated Fabric, but it is long sold out. I think I made this dress a year ago, but yeah, I absolutely love it. I reached for it a lot. It's just so easy and comfortable to put on and wear. And so yeah, I'll put up like a screen here so you all can see the full length. I'm rocking my Crocs today. I'm not doing anything today. I'm not leaving the house. As far as jewelry, I like to keep things super simple. So I just have on some little Target earrings, Anna Louisa necklace. I have this bracelet. My husband and I, we have the same bracelet. The marbles or circles are just different. His is all black and he has one marble. Mine is all marble and I have one black one, and it's just a king and queen little charm on it. So yeah, that's it for me today. I'm just home relaxing, recording. And so again, if you want to check out more about this dress, I have the link down for you in the description box below. Final thing that I wanted to do before I start the video is I wanted to start doing a supporter shout out. I saw this idea on another influencer page that I like to follow. I think her name is Park Avenue. And she just put some of you all comments up here, number one, to answer them just in case someone else has the same questions, and also just to show support and love for you all watching the videos, because I know you don't have to do it, but I really do appreciate you all for watching. So I'm gonna go through this real quick because I know y'all are like, girl, when are you gonna start showing the fabrics? I know, I'm coming. But this actually is from my beginner friendly sew along that I recently just put up from McCalls 8259. It's a McCalls wrap skirt. And so the first one is from Annie Brooks. She writes, hello, do you use a walking foot with all of your sewing? That's a really great question, Annie. Thank you so much for asking. And the answer is yes and no. I answer that way because I have two machines out right now. I'm looking at them. One of them is the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 2, and it has like the integrated dual feed feature on it. And some of the settings, I have to have it pulled down. I'm pretty sure I can go into the default settings of the machine and like disengage it, but I don't really mind because I have another machine beside it, the Epic 980Q from Husqvarna Viking, and that one doesn't have a dual feed on it. So depending on the machine that I'm working on, it has a walking foot. So yes and no, it all just depends on which machine I'm on, if that dual feed is engaged and if I'm going to use it. Thank you so much for your question and for watching the video. The next one is from Miss Peggy Hayden. She says, glad you're back. Hope your house is about ready. Missed you. Thank you so much, Peggy, for watching the video. And yes, my house is ready. I'm actually in my house right now. If you all want like to see kind of the build from it being just dirt to a finished house, I recently just wrote a blog post titled that we are homeowners. You all can check that out if you're interested. I'll put the link below for you. And the last supporter that I wanted to shout out today is from A. Butler. She says, I'm a first-time viewer. Welcome. So happy to have you viewing. She says, I'm a first-time viewer, but I love the way you presented this tutorial. I can't wait to make this skirt. Are you planning to make a video for the top as well? I would love to see that. And so she's referring to Simplicity 9550. I am not going to make a tutorial for that because Mimi G has already made one. I'll link that down below if you're interested too. I don't tend to do sew along videos if the designer has already done a video. So for a majority or all of Mimi G patterns, I don't do a sew along for it unless like she asked me to step in and record when her schedule gets really busy. But she already has a sew along for that. So if you all want to make a matching little crop top and skirt set like I did, you can go over to her channel and watch the top and then watch the skirt tutorial here. All right, I know that was a lot, so let's go ahead and get started with the fabrics. The first fabric that is new to the store, and I'm super excited that we have it for summer, is our 100% cotton ginghams. You really can't do summer without a classic gingham fabric, so I'm so excited that we have some. And we have them in multiple colorways, so we have it in a pink and white, a really classic black and white. We have it in orange and white, this kind of yellow mustard and white. I think it's purple and white also, so we have a lot of different colors. And again, it's 100% cotton. You can do so much with this fabric, from making a nice summer dress, nice summer top. I also put up some pattern options here that I think would be fantastic for our gingham fabrics. So again, if you're looking for a nice 100% cotton gingham, we have some in stock, and I'll put the link for you down below. Next fabrics that we have that are perfect for some lightweight spring and summer garments are our baby noil. We actually had these in stock, and we've added to the colorways that we have. So we've added so many colors, I don't even know them off the top of my head, but we have like 3 different shades of purple. We have a green in stock. I think the pink is sold out. I had this pink from like when we first opened the store. That's how long I've had this awesome fabric. I don't know what I want to make with it yet, but we actually restocked it and now it's sold out. So I know the pink is sold out, but we have other colorways. I've actually made a nice purple like slip dress with this, and I'll put that up so y'all can kind of see the drape of it. The fabric just moves amazingly. It's lightweight. I love sewing with it. It holds the press really well, and I think it's just really light, breathable, and fantastic for summer garments. So again, I'll make sure I'm putting up some pattern ideas and numbers that would be really fantastic for our baby noils that we have in stock now at Melanated Fabrics. Next up, and I see like I have a little trend here with all of this pink, but I love this zigzag print. This print has actually been in stock for a while now, and I'm so surprised, but I think it's the zigzag pattern of it that's kind of intimidating. No one really is trying to match up all of these zigzags. Not even me, and I get it. I totally get it. But you know what? I'm going to make something anyway. I'm going to do my best to match up my seams, but I'm not really in that season of sewing right now where everything has to be matched up and perfect. I'm just sewing what I want to sew, and I'm wearing it because I'm happy and proud of it. And that's that. Even my serger thread, like I call it rainbow serger thread. It's really just 4 different spools. Blue, yellow, orange, pink. It's just in there right now. Like, that's where I'm at. But anyway, I absolutely love this. This is 100% rayon. The drape of this fabric is absolutely amazing. I'm talking skirts, wrap skirts, dresses, nice tops. A really nice duster would also be awesome in this pattern. And so yeah, I really do love this fabric. It's lightweight. We do have it in another colorway also. I believe the other colorway has like blue and yellow in it. But this is just fantastic. So if you're not concerned or worried too much about matching all of your seams, give this fabric a try. It's fantastic. The colors in it is awesome too, and I love it. Next up, we have some nylon spandex fabrics in stock. Do you love? Do you love? So this fabric is nylon spandex. It's performance wear, so it'd be fantastic for activewear garments, swimwear garments, leggings, sports bras. All of that will be amazing in this fabric. So this is what the back looks like. It's just plain white, and this is the front. I didn't stretch any of the other ones because those aren't knits. Those are just woven fabrics. They don't stretch, but this has fantastic stretch in it. We do have this in another colorway that you can actually kind of color block. It would be fantastic. So if you're looking for a nice swimwear fabric, we also have other swimwear fabrics also. Other nylon spandex are in stock, but this is just one of the newer ones. So if you're looking for a fun print for a swimsuit or for some leggings or a sports bra, definitely check out these new nylon spandex. These would be fantastic again for performance wear garments. The last fabric that I'm going to share today is this really beautiful floral print. I love this floral fabric. It's just so, it just reminds me, I don't know, I just love it. It's so just cute and sweet. I see this in some pants. I see this in a nice dress. I feel like you can do so much with this fabric. This is a woven and does not have any stretch in it. If I'm remembering correctly, I do believe it's a poly and a viscose blend, but it just feels amazing. We have 3 types of fabric that's like this, and I'll make sure I'm showing you all that I can show you on the screen, and also giving you pattern ideas. This would be, again, fantastic for a skirt, a dress, a nice little lightweight jumper. It'd be fantastic for those fabrics. Some shorts, a short set. Yes, I love a short set. I think that would be fantastic in this fabric. This fabric has a really nice drape to it, and again, I just love it. I love these little flowers that it has on it. So that's just a quick look at a few of the fabrics that we have in stock. We have a lot of new arrivals, but I can't bring everything home. So definitely check us out at Melanated Fabrics if you are looking for some new fabrics for summer. Well, that is all for the video, and I really do hope that you all enjoyed seeing just a few of the new arrivals that we have at the store. I have links for all of these fabrics that I mentioned down below, so if you're interested, just go ahead down to the description box and see which fabric. Click on the link and it'll take you directly to the fabric. If you have any questions, please leave them down for me below. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Blessings, everyone. Bye.